Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you Notes app is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. So guys, how to fix this issue? Notes app keeps crashing on iPhone, Notes app freezing on iPhone, Notes app not working on iPhone on iOS 17. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is make sure your app update is available. Tap on App Store app, continue, tap on, simply search Notes. You can see appears on screen updates are not available, simply up to date app. If update is pending or available, simply download the app update and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is reboot your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and when your iPhone is complete, restart and fix your problem. Simply release the power button and enjoy your device. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is delete the app and reinstall again. Remove app, delete app and fix your problem, and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check iOS update. If you are using beta version, simply upgrade or downgrade to your device with official version and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update, simply checking for updates. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply reset all settings and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, reset all settings to confirm this action. Reset all settings, tap on it and wait 10 to 20 seconds. Your iPhone will be restored all settings and fix your Notes keeps crashing, Notes freezing or Notes app not working problem on your iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Notes app not working, Notes app keep crashing, Notes app freezing on iPhone or iPad. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.